Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm going to talk to you about YouTube ads and what not to do when it comes to your campaign structure. And this is the structure I'm talking about, and a lot of people do it this way. Campaign could be country based. So I'm over here in the UK. So you set up your campaign and it's like YouTube ads, that's the structure, and then you have a dash, campaign, UK, all right? And you can set the bids at campaign level or at ad group level. And then you have all of your interests this way, or your different targeting options here. Target, and you might have 50 or 60 different targeting options here, and that could be in the market for finance, or credit cards, or convenience shoppers, or it could be the word car finance, a contextual campaign, or it could be a multitude of different things. What people do is they set up the campaign here, and then they have their individual interests or their targeting at the ad group level, okay? And then they have the same ads. They might start with 4 ads here and here, the same 4 ads in all of these and all of these, and then they might also set their bids at here at say $15 per lead, okay? Or they might set it here. If they set it here, I'll tell you what's going to happen. So they set the bid here and they have all of the targeting, and they spend all of this time building out these awesome ad groups, and they've got their targeting sorted and all their ads are in there. They spend time in AdWords editor and they switch the ads on, okay? What happens is that 80% of the traffic is going to go down to, you might have a run of the market here. For those of you who don't know what run of the market is, it means that you're advertising to the whole of the UK, and it could be that you just want to target 25 plus, for example. Run of the market, 25 plus. What happens then, without a doubt in this scenario, is that 80% of the spend will go down here. 80% of the spend will go down here, okay? Which means that the other 49 ad groups that you spent all of this time setting up are not even going to get a chance, because Facebook, it's like water, okay? When you think of water flowing and cascading down a river, it will go to the path of least resistance, and it doesn't have to even go to the path where you get the cheapest leads, okay? It'll just go down here and your cost per lead may be too high, okay? It means that all of these potential good ones here for credit card or finance is not going to get a chance or even a shot, okay? People's argument is, well, that's fine, but you're setting the campaign ad group target CPA here at campaign level. But let's set it here, all right? And they can set it all at 15, 15, 15, 15, 15. All right, and what you'll find then is that everything being equal, because the budget is set at campaign level, you'll still find the same problem, okay? And then people are like, okay, yeah, that's fine, but why don't you just put this bid a little bit lower? Put that down to 10, and then you've got all of these others at 15. And then yeah, you're right, it'll start going a little bit more to the others and it'll give more of a chance. But over time, what you'll find is that you're forever tweaking and changing and upping bids and lowering bids, and before long you lose track of it. You don't realize that you changed that from 15 to 10 2 days ago, then you put it up to 12, and it just turns into an absolute nightmare, all right? So what you've got to do is set up your campaigns like this. Campaign 2, campaign 3, all the way down here like that. Each of these campaigns has an interest 1, interest 2, run of the market, blah, 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 okay? You target here at campaign level, and you create the bid here at campaign level, okay? So that way when you start off, it doesn't matter, and your budget's here as well. So that could be $50 a day, $50 a day, $50 a day, all right? It's going to spend evenly across each of those campaigns, and your bid is at age brackets here. An age bracket 1, age bracket 2, age bracket 3, age bracket 4, and then you still have your 4 ads here, like that. All right? And if you do this, then at least you know this campaign, convenience shoppers here, or whatever the targeting is going to get a really good go at a $15 bid with the creatives that you have. And if you do it the other way, you'll find that you're not giving some potentially really good audiences a good chance at working. I hope you understand. If you have any issues or questions, then please post below in this video, and we'll respond to them as best we can. If you want to find more about how to run a pay-per-lead agency and how to create YouTube ads and generate leads for X and sell them for 2X plus, then we have a case study below this video which will seriously blow up your agency and move you away from all of the bad stuff that we hate into the good stuff, which is selling more leads, making more margin and more money. Enjoy.